I'm Michael Flores.
I'm Christian Delgado.
Brianna Rojas.
And our topic today is going to be about metallurgy. And I hand it over to Christian. He'll go ahead and talk to you a little bit about it.
So, what we got today is metallurgy, and as you may or may not already know, metallurgy is the study of science and technology that is concerned with the properties of metals and the production and purification. Infrastructure is a big part of our everyday lives. We live in them, we walk on them, and we drive in them. Just as helpful as they are for us, they can be just as dangerous. Buildings are attacked during bombings or terrorist attacks, and even during natural disasters, death tolls will rise due to unsafe buildings that collapse. So we came up with this idea to combine two different forms of aluminum. A high-speed aluminum and aluminum foam is what we would combine. The high-speed process aluminum reduces the total time of the multi-components into a set of pure metals. So if we can combine the foam, which can already absorb energy, we can make this new product so our infrastructure will be much safer in the end. I'm going to hand it over to Michael, and he will talk about the problem, the purpose and question and hypothesis.
All right, so the purpose of our study or our research is to find out what is a safer, even cheaper alternative to the current process of rebuilding and maintaining infrastructure. We are also trying to figure out the potential fallbacks in this new aluminum process. We're also trying to figure out specifically how strong and how reliable can this alloy be when you go against conventional methods like steel and general maintenance and repair. Our hypothesis really is that we believe that this new alloy it's able to absorb energy from bomb blasts and seismic activity, and the high-speed aluminum process creates a stronger type of aluminum. So we believe that this new alloy, when combined together, could help reduce damage significantly to infrastructure and prevent further deprecation within it. I'm going to go hand it over to Brianna. She's going to go and talk about the roles and responsibilities and the implications.
Okay, now for the roles and responsibilities. All employees have the right to be informed about the potential health hazards of the chemicals in their work areas and to be properly trained to work safely with hazardous waste. All employees that handle hazardous waste must be trained on the procedure provided by their work. The supervisor is responsible for managing the hazardous waste program in their lab area in a safe manner. It is also the supervisor's responsibility to ensure that all area employees receive proper instruction and training on hazardous waste handling processes. Now, some simple steps on how to dispose of chemicals is 1. Before it's time to pick up the waste, all waste must be placed in the same room where the waste was created. Then, the waste must be placed in the appropriate container. All containers must be capped and properly labeled. Lastly, they will complete and submit a hazardous materials pickup request form. Now, for the impact and implications, this research will help create stronger and safer infrastructure, decrease in maintenance spending. For example, as of 2014, the federal government spent a total of $46.3 billion in maintenance and repair, roughly a total spent on highways. And by safely disposing chemicals, it can create less of a burden on the environment. And that brings us to the end of our presentation.
Hi there. We hope you enjoyed this, and we also hope that you do get better with your affliction. Thank you.